Diving into renovations might seem like striking gold in real estate, but what if it turns into money pit? Hi, I'm Rupali, an independent buyer's agent here to blueprint your success. Today, we are tackling a crucial topic in Australian property investment: overcapitalization. It's all about spending smart, not just splashing cash. You see, property investment is unique. You can physically spruce up your asset, but here's the catch. Spend too much and you might not see that money back at the sale time. Want to steer clear of this pitfall? Here are three golden tips I can share with you. Set clear goals and strict budget. Second, understand what local market desires. Keep it simple and focus on essentials, not just fancy add-ons. Remember, in the game of real estate investing, it's not just about making it look pretty. It's about strategic enhancements. Boost value. It's always good to consult your property strategist and a property manager. They are the pros who know the ins and outs of real estate in Australia, helping you avoid overcapitalization. And don't do it alone. A buyer's agent can be a lifesaver, guiding you through the maze of property portfolio, property strategy, and risk management. Stay savvy, stay informed, and remember, every market phase has its silver lining. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, hit subscribe to stay updated with the latest tips on property investment, and ring the bell for notifications to be the first one updated. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one. Cheers.